Question 76. We are now on the calculator portion of the exam. However, what we're going to find out is that only about half of these calculator questions will actually need a calculator. This first one, 76, does not need a calculator. It says, let f be a twice differentiable function for all real numbers x. Which of the following additional properties guarantees that f has a relative minimum at x equals c? So let's go through our options here. So part A, it says f prime of c equals 0. This is an indicator that we have a critical point. But it's only a critical point. Now, that's a potential for a maximum or minimum, but it doesn't by itself prove that there's a minimum. In part B, we have that critical point piece, and it also says that the second derivative is less than 0. That's an indication that our function is concave down. So that means our graph is going to look like this. So a critical point and concave down, this is actually an indicator that we're going to have a local max. And then in part C, we've got a critical point again, but this time the second derivative is concave up. And when we have concave up and a critical point, that's an indicator that we have a local minimum. So this one is definitely going to be the correct answer. But let's quickly take a look at D. It says the first derivative is positive for x less than c, and then after c, the first derivative is negative. So if we were to actually draw an f prime number line and put c on it, we'd have a sign change from positive to negative. That is again an indicator of a local maximum. So the only one of these four that indicates a local minimum or relative, remember relative and local are the same, is option C.